Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, it's Trisha here. Happy to see you guys coming back, checking out my channel, and also listening to my tips and all of the things that I have for you. I thank you for watching. I thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel as well. It has been a journey to this point. We're in 2024 now, and I hope that you guys are getting your businesses together, getting all your ducks in a row. It's tax time and all that. I hope that you're taking care of everything that you need to take care of in your business. So today I wanted to talk about 3 to 5 common mistakes that people tend to have, and you should try to avoid these things as much as you can with your business. With doing home care, you need to try your best to try to avoid these kind of things because you want your business to run smoothly, not to have any hiccups if you can avoid it, and to make sure that your business is going at top optimal performance. How about that? All right. So anyway, making sure that your staff has proper training, okay? Because that is something that some agencies may lack, and you don't want to have that mistake occur during, running your business. You want to make sure that the staff is properly trained in all of the aspects of the business, meaning like communication, making sure that they have the right skills to take care of your clients, that they know how to communicate with your clients and the families and so on, and to try to avoid those things, okay? Another thing that could be a problem is having an inadequate screening of your caregivers. You need to make sure that you're screening them, that making sure that they don't have any criminal background, especially when working with the elderly. They don't have anything in their past that may come up later on down the road. You want to make sure that they have a clean record, okay? And if there were some hiccups, what were the hiccups and how was it rectified, okay? Making sure that they have good communication again. You don't want them to have poor communication. Like say, for instance, they are running late, that they should be reaching out to the caregiver or the client to make sure that they know that they're running late, they're going to be 15 minutes late or however. Communicating that staff member was not able to come out to work that day, and letting them know, letting the caregiver know or the client know that they cannot come out to work that day, and how you're going to rectify that situation. If you're trying to find someone to replace them, make sure that you're communicating that to the client, because you don't want them sitting there waiting. They know that Sally's supposed to show up at 9 and it's 9:30 and they haven't heard anything. That's poor communication, and that can cause problems for your agency. Okay. Ignoring the regulations. So most states have rules and regulations that's supposed to be followed. That's gone over in the beginning when someone comes on to your agency to work. They need to know their proper rules and regulations, what needs to be done, what shouldn't be done when working for your agency. And for you, making sure that you are communicating, making sure that you are filing your taxes and keeping up with your books, making sure that your staff is documenting what they've done on the task forms or care plans, that they're following them and everything. Making sure that they're following the care plan that was written for that particular client. Okay, so those are some tips that I would like you to just take into account and follow, making sure that you're keeping up with, because it can cause and pose a problem within your agency if these things, and other things as well, but those are just a few that I was thinking of, that you should make sure that your agency is running smoothly and that your staff are doing things according to how you want your business run, how they were trained to run, to work, and that they're following up with you, making sure that they're reporting things to you if something's not going right, because those things are things that can be a lack in your business. And you need to figure out how to make them better if they are there, if there are issues, okay? So again, I like to tell you to like and subscribe to my channel if you're liking the content that I'm putting out. I appreciate all the comments. I try to my best to engage with everyone as I see the comments come in. Just trying to answer emails, and I appreciate all the feedback and all the love I've been getting. I'm almost to 1,000 subscribers, which may not be a lot to some people, but it's a lot to me, and I do appreciate it a whole lot. If you're looking to open your agency, I do have ebooks available on my website, also on Gumroad as well. If you're interested in purchasing, they are there. I also have a consultation. If you're looking for consultation, you can go to my website and sign up to have a consultation with me as well. I do also provide one-on-one. If you're looking for one-on-one consultant services, you can reach me at devotedhealthcareconsultants.com. Go onto my website as well. You can send me an email or sign up on my Calendly to set up for a consultation, and we can go from there, okay? I appreciate you guys again, and I hope to talk to you again soon on another video. Take care now. Bye-bye.